Okay, so we're getting ready to go over a startup procedure for the Can-Am RYKER. Okay, so the first thing we do, we put our key into the ignition. The second thing we do, we're gonna put our foot on the brake. The third thing we do is release the emergency brake. The next thing we do is flip the ignition switch down. The next thing I'm going to do is rotate the throttle once and click the ignition button. When changing gears, never have your hand on the throttle. You want to keep it right here in the middle of the handlebars. Now I'm going to show you how to change gears from forward to reverse. Reverse, forward. Stay tuned for more safety videos.